construction of buildings, construction of dams, the roads construction in the hilly areas. That time the hills are cut. That time the rocks, the digging is taking place, and due to which the rocks, they are removed from the crust. In these activities, immediately the earthquakes are not happening. Yes, vibrations are created because the instruments which are used, they are creating the vibration. But the earthquake, which can be destructive, is resulted after some years. The testing of bombs is also one of the reasons for the earthquake. Mining activities, quarrying, these are the activities in which we dig into the crust. And in the minerals, mining activity, the minerals are extracted from the crust. That time, at a considerable depth, the digging is necessary. And this digging in which we remove the rocks from the crust, in which the vacuum is created. Due to that vacuum, the vibrations create and the earthquakes can happen. So, anthropogenic man is also responsible for the earthquake happening. So, volcanicity, the tectonic movements, and anthropogenic reason, these three are the causes of earthquake. The another sudden movement, that is volcano. Volcano. It is, in this activity, the liquid lava, which is a molten matter from the interior of the earth, is coming on the surface of the earth. What is this molten material? It is a mixture of minerals. This mixture of mineral is coming on the surface of the earth when it escapes and it comes on the surface of the earth. We see this through this diagram. Now, in this diagram, you can see this is the earth. From the interior of the earth, where the liquid magma is there, it is coming on the surface of the earth when it is releasing, when it is getting chance to come on the surface of the earth. Many times, it is coming on the surface of the earth through a pipe. It is called volcanic pipe. When the pressure of this liquid lava is increasing on the walls of the pipe, that time the cracks develop in the pipe and the liquid lava start coming on the surface of the earth through the cracks. When this lava is coming from the center, from the hole on the surface of the earth, through which the lava is coming, this is called vent. And the top, when the lava is coming on the surface of the earth, the top through which the lava is coming, this top is called a hollow part at the top. That that is called crater. So the point, the hole on the surface of the earth through which the lava is coming on the surface of the earth is called vent, and the top of the mountain through which the lava is coming on the surface of the earth, that is called crater. Volcanoes are taking place in the areas where in the interior part liquid magma is much. How these activities are taking place? On that basis, the types of volcanoes are classified. In that, the first type is on the basis of mode of eruption. Means how the volcanic activity, how the liquid lava is coming on the surface of the earth. So, on the basis of eruption, how the magma is coming on the surface of the earth. On that basis, there are two types. One is central type of volcanic activity. Central type. Now, in this diagram, I will show you how the central type is. Now, this is volcanic pipe. Liquid lava is coming on the surface of the earth. Now here, you are seeing that the lava is coming through a single pipe. Through one center on the surface of the earth, it is coming on the surface of the earth. So through a single center, the liquid lava is coming on the surface of the earth. That is why this type of activity is called central type of volcanic activity. The main characteristic is this lava is more thicker. That is why it is accumulating near the vent. And so it is resulted into a volcanic mountain. So on the surface of the earth, wherever we are seeing the volcanic mountain, they are formed due to the central type of volcanic activity. There are so many like Mount Vesuvius, Mount Etna, Mount Kilimanjaro. There are so many volcanic mountains which are the result of central type of activity. The second type is fissures type of activity. Now, this is the type fissures type. The meaning of fissures is cracks. The cracks develop. Now, how the cracks develop? The liquid lava which is coming on the surface of the earth, it is creating a pressure on the walls of the volcanic pipe. When this pressure is increasing, that time the cracks develop. Liquid lava is entering into the crack, and through cracks, through so many centers, large area. This resulted into a plateau. So, wherever on the surface of the earth we are seeing the volcanic plateaus, they are the result of fissures type of volcanic activity. The best example in India, the southern part of India, that is Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is a result of fissures type of volcanic activity in which the liquid lava through fissures came on the surface of the earth and spread over a large area. So these are the two types. One is central type of activity and the second is fissures type of activity. It is on the basis of mode of eruption.